Here, I will show you the answers of Classwork and Ch9.16. Okay, so first, we do the Classwork part. For the first question, you will want to find the range, then you use 11 minus 1. Okay, which is the maximum and minimum. So you get 10 here, right? Then, okay, how about the IQR? You do something like this, and then 10 and 5. So 10 minus 5, which is 5. Get the answer. And for the SD, you can use the calculator to do that. Okay, and then you can find 3.32. Okay, so after we complete the first one, here we can make use of those we have learned before. If you look at these two, actually the second set of data is you use the first set data and plus 20 to each data, right? So if in this case the range IQR and SD will not change, so we still keep 10, 5, and 3.32. Then how about if you get this one? Can you observe what you did? Then you will get the third one. Yes, you multiply 100. So you multiply 100, then the range will multiply 100 as well. So 10 times 100, you will get 1000. So for the IQR, you get 5 times 100, and then you will get 500. And the last one, 3.32 times 100, then you get 332. Okay, let's go to the last one. Here, you multiply by C. This time is quite tricky. You see, C is smaller than 0. So let's write if this is 10, right? And then you multiply by C, so it should be 10C. Okay, if we just write it this way. But bear in mind, if you write 10C, it is a positive number or a negative number if C is smaller than 0. In this situation, it's negative number, right? So we want to have a positive number, then we have negative here. Okay, to change it back to positive number. So here, we multiply negative C to the first one, then you get this answer. So similarly, you get 5C, but you have negative, and 3.32C, but you have negative. So now we go to quick practice 9.16. Okay, in these questions, now we try to look at part A first. Okay, in part A, okay, range. Okay, we use the biggest one minus the smallest one. So is equals to 1420 minus 580. And then you will get 840. Remember the dollar sign? Okay, and then now if we want to get the IQR, we cut it into half. And then 780 and then 1050. Then we find the IQR, which is 1050 minus 780, and then you get 270, right? Okay, again the SD by calculator, we get 262. So now we do B1. Find a new range, new IQR and SD. Okay, for the following situations. First, the tutorial fee is decreased by 100. So it's simply like you minus 100 from those data, right? Then the range IQR and SD will not change. So you just simply copy the answers, okay, from part A. So new range is the same as before. So new IQR is the same as before, which is 270. So new SD is the same as before, 262. Oh, sorry, I missed the $sign in the part A. Okay, part 2. Now, not decreased by, but decreased by 10%. So 10%, okay, you could change it as multiply 1 minus 10%, so you multiply 0.9. Then the range IQR and SD will also multiply 0.9 to get a new one. Then you get a new range is 140 times 0.9, so you get 756. Similarly, you get new IQ out 70, so you get 243. So okay, let's go down a little bit. Then the new SD will be 262. Okay, multiply 0.9, and then you get 236. Okay, for 3 significant figures.